Chicago has issued a special marine warning for open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 10:45 a.m. At 9:43 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 8 nautical miles east of Wilmette Harbor, moving northeast at 10 knots. Hazard, waterspouts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.